Now we are going to see the straight line which is inclined to both HP and VP. One problem is a typical problem wherein the straight line true length is given and then one end is given. Let us first read out the problem. A straight line of AB 50 mm long has its one end A 10 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. The other end is at 40 mm above HP. The in front of distance is not given for the other end, only it is 40 mm above HP distance is given. Then again the top view of the line is inclined at 35 degrees to VP. The top view length is not given, it is inclined at 35 degrees to VP. So this inclination we can see only on HP. Draw the projections and find the true inclination with HP and VP. This is the problem. Now as usual we can just draw one XY line to represent the junction of these planes. Now initially let us locate the point A, which is 10 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP, which is 10 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. We can draw the projector, and this is going to be your A dash and this is going to be your A. Let us mark the dimensions also. So here this distance is 15 mm and this distance is 10 mm and A dash and A. Now what is given is the other end B is 40 mm above HP. This distance we can see only on VP. So here we can just make 40 mm one point at any distance. Then we can draw a locus of this point B. So this is the locus of the point B on which the B is going to be located, that is B dash is going to be located. Now in this one the true length of the line is known, that is 50 mm length. So let us fix these dimensions in the compass. 50 mm let us fix 50 mm, and then from A dash we can make one arc on the locus of the B dash to represent this is B1 dash. It is not actual the front view, it is, that's why we call it as a B1 dash. We can join this as a light line. Your B dash is going to be there located somewhere here. Now in this one you can just draw the locus of your A also. Now by projecting this vertically downward we can find the top view length. So this is going to be the top view length AB. But the top view length is given as inclined at 35 degrees to VP. So here we can make 35 degrees inclination. Here you can mark 35 degrees here, and then you can draw one line, light line. But on this line we can transfer the top view length. The top view length is this. Top view length is this. We can transfer this line here. So this is going to be your B dash. This is your B. Now this AB is going to be your top view. AB is going to be your top view. It is, we can make it as dark. Top view. Now if B is here, B dash is going to be above, just above this B only on the locus of your B dash. So this is going to be your B dash. Now this is your front view of the straight line. So we can just darken this. Just we can darken this. We can make it a little darker. Now here also we can find the true length on this locus. The true length necessarily has to be 50 mm, and then it will be cutting here, and then that will make some inclination with your xy line, that inclination is inclination to VP. So here we can make the same 50 mm radius, from this A. I can just make one arc here, so that it is going to be the true length in the top view. Now we can call it as B1. From A dash we can draw the locus. On this locus you can project this B1. This is the point B dash. When you make this A dash B dash, this arc will exactly coincide here. This will be exactly coinciding here. So this is how we can complete the projection. Now this inclination, if you want to measure, that inclination is measured to be 38 degrees. See here. The true length inclination is around 35 degrees, so it is 35 degrees. Of course, the front view will be making an apparent inclination. This inclination is alpha. This is apparent inclination. Similarly, the straight line is making with respect to your VP can be seen here. This inclination is 28 degrees. So, this will be 28 degrees. So, the inclination to HP is 35. Inclination to HP, that is theta, is 35 degrees. Inclination to VP, that is pi, is called 28 degrees. So this is going to be the front view and this is the top view. Here this dimension we have to mark, which is given in the problem. So this dimension is 40 mm. This completes the solution to this given problem. Thank you.